Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to unblock a person on your email account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to unblock someone on email account, let's open up our email app first. And after opening the email app, you will be also seeing the same kind of interface where on the top right corner of your screen you can see the profile icon. First tap on that profile icon over there, and on this interface you can see the settings available over here just below the switch account. Tap on settings, and again on this interface just below the functions you can see the privacy button available over there. Tap on privacy, and on this interface under the contacts category you can see scroll down a little bit, there is the block list available just below the method for adding me. Tap on block list, and you can see all the persons you have blocked on email will be available over here. And there is the unblock button available at the side of the contact whom we had blocked. Tap on unblock to unblock that person on email. And there guys, this is how you unblock somebody on email like this. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.